Welcome to the best pick. The Best Girl at the Window is probably one of the most talked about psychological thrillers of recent times, and for good reason. It masterfully blends suspense, mystery, and a touch of the uncanny to create a viewing experience that will keep you on the edge of your seat from start to finish. If you're looking for a film that delves into the darker aspects of human nature and explores the unsettling power of observation, then this is a must-watch. Number 5. SHAPERX Women's Tummy Control Shapewear Thong Bodysuit. Introducing the ultimate solution for a smoother silhouette. This shapewear thong bodysuit offers seamless tummy control for a flawless look under any outfit. Achieve that coveted hourglass figure with its innovative waist-snatching design. It comfortably sculpts your midsection, enhancing your natural curves. Experience all-day comfort with this thong bodysuit style. It provides full coverage where you need it while remaining discreet and comfortable. Designed to be virtually invisible, this body shaper lays flat against your skin. You can confidently wear your favorite tight-fitting clothes without worry. Feel more confident and beautiful in your own skin. This shapewear is designed to help you look and feel your best, no matter the occasion. Trust in the quality and craftsmanship of SHAPERX. We are dedicated to providing shapewear that combines style, comfort, and effective shaping. What we like? This shapewear offers excellent tummy control and a seamless design for a smooth silhouette. If you're looking for comfortable, all-day shaping without visible lines, this is a great choice. It's perfect for wearing under dresses or fitted outfits. What people say. The book is a suspenseful thriller that keeps you guessing until the very end. The author's writing style is engaging and immersive, making it hard to put the book down. The plot is well crafted with unexpected twists and turns that add to the excitement. Number 4. SONGMICS GISELLA Collection Jewelry Box UJBC 239WT. Discover understated luxury with this exquisite jewelry box. Its elegant design and quality craftsmanship celebrate timeless appeal, elevating your jewelry storage. Keep all your treasures neatly organized. Small items fit perfectly in the top layer, while the two spacious drawers below accommodate your larger pieces. Easily find your favorite pieces with the clear glass lid. It not only allows you to see your collection at a glance but also protects your jewelry from dust. This beautiful organizer makes a perfect gift for any occasion. With its soft velvet lining, quality materials, and sturdy construction, it's designed to be cherished for years. Add a touch of modern elegance to your bedroom or cloakroom. This versatile holder stylishly organizes all your accessories, from necklaces to rings. What we like? This jewelry box provides ample 3-layer storage with a clear glass lid to easily view your collection. If you appreciate understated luxury and need organized storage for various jewelry types, this is ideal. It makes a beautiful statement piece for any dresser. What people say. The book is a gripping and atmospheric thriller that keeps you on the edge of your seat. The author masterfully builds suspense and delivers a shocking twist that you won't see coming. The characters are well-developed and relatable, making their struggles and triumphs feel authentic. Number 3. SunGemmers Window Gem Art Suncatcher Kits. Unleash your creativity with this sparkling window art kit. It includes everything you need to create beautiful sun and rainbow designs. Just peel and stick the gems for a bright, mess-free masterpiece. Watch your child's confidence grow as they express themselves through colorful gem art. The easy-to-follow guides make it a satisfying and relaxing activity for independent play. This kit helps develop fine motor skills, color matching, and spatial awareness. It's a perfect project for building focus and pride in their finished artwork. Enjoy hours of fun without the mess. With no glue or paint, it's a simple peel and stick activity that parents and kids will love for easy cleanup. Turn their creations into beautiful window decorations. The finished suncatchers add a touch of sparkle to any room, bringing a proud smile long after crafting is done. Looking for a fun and engaging gift? This gem art kit is ideal for birthdays and holidays, offering a wonderful screen-free crafting experience for kids. What we like? This craft kit offers a mess-free, peel-and-stick gem art experience that helps develop fine motor skills. If you're searching for a fun, screen-free activity for kids that results in beautiful, displayable window art, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for encouraging creativity and confidence. What people say. The book is a page-turner that keeps you guessing until the very end. The author masterfully builds suspense and creates a chilling atmosphere. The characters are well developed and their motivations are believable. Number 2. EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Experience endless hot water whenever you need it. Our advanced technology ensures consistent temperature, giving you reliable performance every time. Reclaim your space with our incredibly compact design. It's 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters and can be mounted almost anywhere. Save energy and money with our highly efficient system. It only heats water when you need it, unlike bulky tank heaters. Enjoy hot water exactly how you like it. Our self-modulating technology maintains your selected temperature within 1 degree. This unit is ideal for bathrooms, small sinks, or break rooms. It delivers between 1.3 and 3.1 gallons per minute, depending on your incoming water temperature. Upgrade to smarter, on-demand hot water. It's the efficient and space-saving solution for your hot water needs. What we like. This tankless water heater provides endless on-demand hot water and is incredibly space-saving and energy efficient. If you need consistent hot water without the bulk of a traditional tank, especially for smaller applications like a bathroom or break room, this is an excellent solution. It's ideal for those looking to reduce energy consumption and save space. What people say. The book is a suspenseful thriller that keeps you guessing until the very end. The author masterfully builds tension and creates a sense of unease throughout the story. The plot twists are unexpected and well executed, making for a truly gripping read. Number 1. SONGMICS MAZIE Collection Storage Ottoman Bench. Setting up this storage bench is a breeze, taking just seconds. When not in use, it conveniently folds flat for easy storage. Enjoy a generous 35-gallon capacity perfect for blankets, books, and more. It also includes extra boxes and a divider for organizing smaller items. Crafted with premium materials and reinforced corners, this ottoman is incredibly sturdy. It can support up to 660 pounds, offering reliable seating and storage. Its chic velvet surface and tufted design add a touch of elegance to any room. The comfortable padding ensures a pleasant experience for relaxation. This piece is more than just storage. It can be a footrest, extra seating, or even a coffee table. Its versatility makes it suitable for any space in your home. What we like. This storage ottoman bench offers ample storage space and a sturdy, durable construction capable of supporting significant weight. If you need a versatile piece that can serve as seating, a footrest, or a coffee table while also hiding away clutter, this is a perfect fit. Its foldable design also makes it easy to store when not in use. What people say. The book is a page-turner that keeps you guessing until the very end. The author does a fantastic job of building suspense and creating a chilling atmosphere. The characters are well developed and relatable, making their struggles feel real. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.